Hi everyone. So today I'm going to tell you about expert witnesses. And I decided to just hop on here and do this topic now because I just got home from a doctor's deposition who was the expert witness for one of my cases. So the reason it's important to have an expert in your case, usually in personal injury it's a doctor, is because they tie everything together. They've seen your client, they've usually treated your client, they've done injections on them, they physically examined them, they've done surgery on them. So they have the qualifications to get up and say, hey, this mechanism of injury, being rear-ended or from this fall, is what caused these injuries and then the need for their subsequent treatment. So it's usually a doctor. It can be maybe someone else like an accident reconstructionist if you need that. There's a bunch of different ones, but usually in my cases, they are doctors and they're great and they just really want to see their clients get better. And they're, usually the defense in expert witness depositions of the plaintiff's expert, they'll ask them questions like, oh, well, aren't you being paid for your time here today? Aren't you being paid by Miss Shannon Dawson over there? And it's like, well, yeah. I mean, they don't work for free. Mr. Defense Attorney, aren't you being paid to be here today? I mean, quite frankly, I'm the only one who's not being paid to be here today because I'm paid on contingency. So it's just, they try to create bias to the doctor. They'll say, they just try to pick other things that could have caused this injury, instead of the accident itself. So obviously they're trying to save their insurance some money. It's their job, whatever. But I just think it's funny just because I just went through it. The questions that they ask to try to discredit your medical doctor who is under oath and is knowledgeable and treated your client. So that is kind of a gist of what expert testimony is and can be.